Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com. In this tutorial, I just want to quickly do a check on our range totals, because the totals that we've now inserted in our range totals vector should add up to the overall range total that we calculated before. So I call this method calculate total iterations, although that's not really a good name for it now that I think of it. But let's output in here, cout, so this is in fractalcreator.cpp, m_total. And I'll also put in there just some text to say overall total, like that. And let's just put in a bit of debug code here into the calculate range totals function. Let's say int overall total equals 0. And then every time we iterate through this, overall total, let's say now, I've totally forgotten whether overall has one L or two L's, let's say 2. So now let's add the value to this. That should be a semicolon, not colon. There we go. So overall total plus equals, and we need to just add value in this little debug loop here. So now we can actually output that. I'll copy the C++ statement that I just added to calculate total iterations, and we'll output overall total. So these two should match. Let's change this text to 1 and 2. 1 and 2 should match, and if it does, we've succeeded. So let's run this. And we see that overall total 1 is 438902, and 438902 is also overall total 2, so it works. And now we can remove the debug code here, so we can get rid of this cout, basically get rid of any couts, and get rid of this loop here as well that we just put in for debugging. So I think it's really important to check this, especially because we won't really know if this works until we actually draw our fractal. So it's really important to check as much as you can as you go along. And when I developed this program the first time, I actually did a lot more checking than I'm showing you in this tutorial. Every stage I went along, I tried to check whatever I could. So that's a really good thing to do, really good habit to get into. Okay, so until next time, happy coding.